In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Grafana with Slack. If you want your team to stay on top of important system alerts without constantly watching dashboards, this setup is a great solution. By connecting Grafana to Slack, you can send notifications straight into a dedicated channel the moment an alert is triggered. That means faster visibility for issues like high CPU usage, memory spikes, or service downtime. We'll start in Slack by creating an incoming webhook. This webhook acts like a secure delivery endpoint that Grafana can use to post messages into your chosen Slack channel. Open your browser and go to the Slack app management page. From there, click Create New App. Choose the option to build it from scratch. Give the app a clear name related to Grafana alerts and select the workspace where you want those notifications to appear. Once the app is created, go into the app's feature settings and open incoming webhooks. Turn on the option to activate incoming webhooks, then scroll down and choose Add New Webhook to Workspace. Slack will ask you which channel should receive the alerts, so select the channel you want to use and approve the connection. After that, Slack will generate a webhook URL. Copy that URL because you'll need it in Grafana. Now switch over to your Grafana dashboard. In the left sidebar, open Alerting using the bell icon, then go to Contact Points. Click Add Contact Point to create a new notification destination. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. In the integration dropdown, choose Slack. Then paste the webhook URL you copied from Slack into the webhook URL field. At this point, you can also adjust the optional Slack settings. If you want, you can enter a recipient channel name to override the default destination tied to the webhook. You can also customize the alert title or leave it blank if you prefer Grafana's default formatting. Before saving anything, use the test button in the top right corner and choose Send Test Notification. Check your Slack channel to confirm the test message appears correctly. If everything looks good, save the contact point. Finally, you need to make sure Grafana actually sends alerts to the Slack contact point. Still inside the alerting section, open notification policies. Create a new policy or edit your existing default policy if that fits your setup better. In the contact point field, select the Slack contact